Good morning, traders. So I just wanted to share with you the new system that I discovered, and I'm very happy to share this with you. And if any of you are interested in it, you can just let me know through the numbers and the contacts in the description below. Before we start, you can just like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos on how the strategy works. All right, so I'm calling it the Volatility 75-100% win strategy because so far I have just been making lots of profits on it, and I think it's really a game changer. So the rules are that all the indicators must agree, and you must use proper risk management according to your account size. So, and the strategy works on all time frames. I usually scalp on the 15-minute, and also when I'm trying to grow a small account, I use the 15-minute for the strategy, because when you're on the daily and you have a small account, any small move in the market on the daily time frame can blow your account, or you can already quickly hit stop loss. So it's better to use the smaller time frames if you are having a small account and you're trying to grow it. So it's better to use the smaller time frames and take the smaller profits there, and then grow the account to a substantial size, and then you can then move to the daily time frame to give the market room for those small movements. So I'm going to start off by showing you how the strategy works on the 15-minute. This is V75 on the 15-minute chart. So these are the indicators that I'm using. So I basically have a channel here, and then there's a line that is very important here in the middle. And then I have this indicator, and then this indicator, and then this indicator. And then I also use mainly this one, and also sometimes these two. But mainly, for example, for a sell, I would want all the indicators to agree. So basically, if we start here, the very first thing I look at is for the price, these candles, for the price to cross the middle line. And it must cross and close below the middle line. And then the color of the middle line is to change from green to pink. Then I know it's a sell, but that's just one indicator, all right? So if that is telling me to sell, then I go to my second indicator here. It must be up here. It shouldn't be down there, right? It should be up there, both the blue and the yellow. And then my third indicator also needs to be close up here, and it shouldn't be down here like here. It should be up. And then my fourth indicator should be down. This should be like the opposite of this one, right? So there must be like a big circle for a nice sell to happen. Can you see that? Like there's a big tummy or a big ball or balloon. These two indicators must be in that format for a sell. You can see here also for a small sell. You can also see here there's a big balloon, and then this one also prepared us for the sell down here. All right, so moving on. And then these are volume indicator. I don't really use it much, but for the strategy, you can also use it, but I don't actually use it. It's, it's just there for like the 10th confirmation, but you don't really need it. All right, and this one as well. But the main one also, which is very important, is this one. So basically, this one needs to be showing red, okay, for the sell. So number one, the price needs to cross down and close below the line, and the line must turn to pink. For example, here it closed, and then it went back a little bit, and then it sold very nicely, very nice profits. All right, and you could see this one was also red already. Okay, and then another example for a sell, you can see it here. The candle closed below this line, and then the line turned pink, and then if you entered right there at the end of that candle, so for the next 30 minutes, you would have been in profit. And so basically the stop loss, I would make the stop loss just above the line. The stop loss would be above the line, like somewhere here. And the take profit would be when the candles hit the next line down there, the channel. All right, the same thing here. You sell when the candle closes below this line, and then you enter when this candle is done forming, right? You enter at the beginning of this candle, then you let the prices go. All right, you set your stop loss above the line right here, and that's it. So that's how the strategy works. If you are interested in getting it, just let me know. It's not even expensive. It's not even gonna cost you $100. It's much less. Just let me know and I'll make it available to you. I'll also show you if you need more assistance on how to install the indicators. I'll show you, and I'll also show you how to backtest the strategy and also how to use it in your trading. All right. Thank you guys very much and hope to see you soon. Bye.